In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an email to your Outlook calendar. This process is quite simple and very handy for organizing your schedule directly and efficiently using information from your emails. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to import an email into your calendar with just a few clicks. We'll focus on a straightforward drag and drop method that seamlessly integrates important details from your inbox into your calendar. First, you'll want to start by opening your Outlook application and navigating to your inbox where you can see your emails. Once you're there, find the particular email you wish to convert into a calendar event. This could be an email containing meeting details, a reminder of an important deadline, or anything you need to schedule on your calendar. Now, with your chosen email in sight, take your cursor and click on the email. Hold down your mouse button and drag the email over towards the calendar icon. This icon can typically be found on the left-hand taskbar within Outlook, among other options like Mail and People. Once you find the calendar icon, simply hover over it. At this point, you need to release the mouse button. Doing this will open a new window displaying a draft for an appointment or meeting. This window serves as your workspace to customize information according to the event you're planning to schedule. Inside this window, you'll notice that the content of the original email has already been populated into the event details section, saving you the effort of copying and pasting information manually. Next is the all-important task of adjusting the specifics of your calendar event. This includes setting the perfect date and time for your event. You might also want to add other essential details to ensure everything is recorded accurately, which aids in keeping your schedule well organized and effective. Feel free to modify any other settings such as reminders or invitees as per your need. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and feels in your event details, the final step is to click on the Save and Close button. This action commits your newly created event to your calendar. And there you have it. Your email has now been successfully converted into an Outlook calendar event. This simple drag and drop method effectively saves time and keeps crucial information organized across your email and calendar, streamlining your workflow significantly. With practice, you'll be able to do this effortlessly, ensuring you don't miss out on important meetings or events ever again. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling!